Welcome to my part 3. So previously I stayed in marital status. Okay? If you want to keep seeing how I fill out the form, just keep on watching the following parts. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Also, turn on the notification bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember, you have any questions, comments, comment below. I will answer it as soon as I can. So we stayed in current marital status, I've told you. So I click marry because obviously your spouse is married. But if any option, different option, you will click if he has another option, he's not married. But obviously, if you're filing for your spouse, he's currently married. You'll fill that out. Option. Date of current marriage, you'll fill that out. Place of your beneficiary current marriage, if he's married. Obviously, if he's married, where he got married. So let's say, but now, if it's in the United States, you will click state. If it's not in the United States, you will leave this blank. Providence, if you have a Providence. Country, let's say Dominican Republic. If your spouse had previously been married. So his has been married, let's say to Hernandez, Rosa. And his marriage ended on 2013. Sorry guys, so you'll put that. So that and is the day that you guys got divorced. If you have previous spouses or you'll fill this out. Information about your beneficiary family. So if you have children together, you'll fill this form. If you do, if you don't, you leave it blank. So let's say they have children together. So it would be Lopez, Anthony. Any relationship son. Son. His date of birth or if your children, do you have children in common? Before 2017. Country of birth, USA. If you had more children, you'll fill this out. If you guys do. Part 4, it keeps going. If you have children in common, you'll fill that out. 45, Beneficiary and She Information. If he been or she ever in the United States, yes or no. If yes, you click yes. No, no. If it's yes, you need to fill out 46 and below. He or she when she arrived to the U.S. Form I-94. Date of arrival. Date or authorized date expire or will expire. As shown on your form I-94. Passport number. Travel document number. Country or issuance of your passport. Expiration date. Beneficiary employment. Let's say if he or she is currently working, you'll fill this out. If they're not, you will fill out unemployed. Additional information about your beneficiary. Was your beneficiary ever in immigration proceeding? Yes or no? No. If yes, what type of proceeding? Removal, rescission, exclusion, deportation, or other judicial proceeding. It had been, so you will click one of those options and where. Part 4, information about your beneficiaries is continuous. So here, if you will have to put the same name. Sorry guys. Okay, and then his fortune address. Guys, I don't know if I put different address. I'm just filling it out with you guys for you to see how I'm filling it out. But if you will put the same address as before. I'm just doing it differently because I'm just giving you guys an example. There we go here. Okay. Keeps going. If you're finding for a spouse, provide the last address at which you physically live together. If you never live together, you type or print never live together. If you never live together, your spouse in a foreign country, obviously he doesn't live with you. You type never live together. If you guys do currently live together, you will provide a physical address that you guys are living in. The beneficiary is in the United States and will apply for adjustment of status so that the lawful permanent resident at U.S. SCIS. If this qualifies or is something that applies to you, you'll fill this out. As well as 62 and below. Have you ever previously filed a petition for this beneficiary or any other alien? So that's your question about you. Have you ever filed for someone else? If yes, you will click the option yes, and you will provide the information of the person that you have filed before. If no, just do no. You never filed for no one? Just no. If you're filing for someone else on a separate petition, let's say you're filing for children or another person, you'll fill this out. But also be aware, even though you've put in their information here, you will have to do a separate petition. If you don't do the separate petition, they would not include them in the case. So they're just asking here just to be aware that you're filing for someone else. So it will keep on. This is just a declaration signature. So petitioner, you're the petitioner. You read English, you will click here and understand. If you have an interpreter, you will click that option. If you don't, you leave it blank. I'm a preparer. If you're using a preparer, he will fill this out for you. Petitioner's signature, you will sign here. Date of signature. Also on top, don't forget to write your phone number, your mobile number. If you have a daytime number, you'll put it here. An email address. An interpreter will fill this out. You have an interpreter, but if you don't, you leave it blank. If you have an preparer, you will have them fill that. They will fill it out for you because the preparer will fill out the form for you. Okay. Remember when I told you about the addresses? These are the below blanks that they told you. If you have previously lived before somewhere else, you will fill this in. Okay, guys. So, you guys, any question? Remember to comment below. Be aware. Please subscribe, like, comment below. Turn on your notification bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, guys, remember to provide evidence. Don't forget to do as well the fee. And if you're filing for a spouse, you will do the I-130A. When you are looking for this form, you will go to UCIS and you will look out for I-130. So guys, have a blessed day. Keep watching my channel for next videos. Have a good day.